Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your HomePod Mini and Windows PC must share the same Wi-Fi, and the HomePod needs an iPhone or iPad with the Home app signed into your Apple ID. Once done, enable Bluetooth and open the AirPlay-capable app on Windows or use iTunes. Make sure Windows has Bluetoothless support and any AirPlay helper app. Now, place the HomePod near the PC and keep your iPhone handy. You will use it to authorize connection steps and to check HomePod settings. Next, open the media source on Windows and select AirPlay or the HomePod from the media output list. If Windows doesn't list AirPlay, install an AirPlay receiver or iTunes and enable Bonjour. This creates the service Discovery HomePod needs. Once your PC advertises AirPlay, choose the HomePod. Your iPhone may prompt to allow the device, accept. Make sure HomePod firmware is current in the Home app, because compatibility and bug fixes often resolve streaming issues and improve stability. Finally, set the HomePod Mini as your PC's output, or select it each time from the app's AirPlay menu. This completes the connection and starts audio streaming. If you don't hear sound, verify both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band and restart the HomePod and your PC, because transient network or Bluetooth issues are common. If problems persist, remove and reinstall the AirPlay helper or perform a HomePod reset. That fixes pairing state corruption about half the time and restores a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.